Yo, what's good everyone? It's Fala here back on the channel as always, speaking to you straight from my crib. Alright boys, so today in the video I'm gonna give you a full complete tutorial on how to start trading in 2025. It's probably gonna apply to the next fucking 20 years because that's how good it is. It consists of what videos you have to watch, what do you have to do to become successful. None of that fucking bullshit of whatever you wanna fucking do, like buy courses, then fucking whatever bullshit you can come up with, basically as a person trying to sell you a course or something. So yeah, boys, let's get straight to it. Yeah, a whole fucking presentation done only for you for free, €0 charged for it. Alright. So how you should start your trading journey, bosh. Alright. So to define a reason why you wanna trade, like without the reason why you wanna trade, boy, you're not gonna achieve anything. Like, do you wanna just give it a try because you think that it's a get rich quick scheme, or you genuinely like something about it? For example, for me, like I'm on the grind since I was like 13, and I tried like nearly everything. And when I got into trading in 2023, like first 5 minutes, I knew it's gonna be it. I sent like snaps and everything to my friends, and I've told them, yeah, this is gonna be it. You all should start doing it. And look at me now, like 2 years later, I'm still doing it. So, like, you should like conclude from me as your example. Like, if you get what I'm saying, or like look at other people. It's like get rich quick scheme. So if that's what you want, you're not gonna get it. You have to look for something else, boy. But if you want to actually give the time, put in the effort, trade every fucking day, no excuses, watch videos, educate yourself, gain knowledge, make your own fucking conclusions on everything, and then come up with a strategy and everything. That's what's gonna get you like to that level. So you have to define why you wanna trade, and are you actually willing to put in the effort and time. Step 2, you have to buy a notebook and get patient. So what I mean by that, again, you have to buy a notebook to make notes on every single video you watch. You don't want to just fucking consume the video, go to sleep and forget the second day. You don't want to do that, bro. Because if you want to do that, you can do fucking 2-3 years Dagestan and forget. Like that's what you can do, honestly. But like, if you wanna be trading, mate, you have to fucking put in the effort. It's like going to school, going to a uni, and anything else. You have to like know. So for example, you watch a video on fair value gaps, right? So you put fair value gaps, the title, right? You put the date, and then you put what is a fair value gap? Why do we watch out for value gaps? What do they represent in the market? What is the market gonna tell you whenever it moves down to a daily fair value gap, weekly fair value gap? Like how is the market moving? Like that's what you basically have to do. And then you have to get patient, because remember, boys, you don't want to rush trades, you don't want to rush your setups. Like that's what I'm still struggling with. So remember, it's not gonna come to you like that. And even if you think that you're mentally strong, trading's gonna fucking break you. It's gonna humble you down. Like it's just basically gonna show you how hard it is. And after you get what you wanted from the first like thing, you realize that that's not really what you wanted. It wasn't really like it doesn't feel anything special. Like you just feel normal and just continue with your life. So yeah, I mean, that's it. Just get patient, get a notebook, get them notes done, and then when you get to like, I don't know, after a year and a half, yeah, of course, then you can watch videos without actually making notes, because you have the knowledge and you can make conclusions straight after the video. But when you don't have the knowledge, you have to make fucking notes every fucking day after every fucking video you watch, and then you have to come back to the notes to learn, to revise, to do everything, boys, everything. And I don't wanna see in your fucking notes some fucking childish patterns of charts like, oh yeah, we get this candle and it represents the next candle is gonna go down. Or we have fucking McDonald's pattern on the chart and it represents that we're gonna go up, down, and then we gonna fucking continue, pow, like a fucking French fry. Nah, that's not what we fucking want, G. So like, don't come up with any of that mentors. Step 2, and that's when we come about mentors. So we have to find an ICT, Remember, ICT, no fucking swing trading Alex G that's scamming you $100 to $1 million in like a month. No fucking whoever the else is. No, none of that bullshit, mate. None of that bullshit. All that bullshit aside right now. Now you are coming to a big boys game. Big boys game. You find an ICT trader. I would recommend, from my experience, TGR. That's what I started with, and that's what I would recommend to you. But there's a new guy, newcomer, that's also good. Like, I started watching him from time to time. He also trades ICT concepts, but he does it like a bit different here in TGR. So you have to choose like whichever strategy is best for you, and then you decide whether you watch TGR's bootcamp, which is really good, honestly really good, or you learn from Kimo. I think that's a Portuguese fella or someone like that. I don't know, but he's really good as well, and he's honest. He's honest. That's what we want, honesty. And with TGR's like all this whatever noise going on around his prop firm and everything, you may think not trust him. Yeah, you don't have to trust the guy. You don't have to buy his course, but what you have to do is watch his bootcamps. That's it. That's the free knowledge that you can get, mate. Perfect. After you watch that, you say rules. So what do I mean by rules? So an example of that is, for example, as of me, I take one trade a day. If that trade is a loss, I will take another one, just to like break even or make like 1% profit, or maybe lose more. You know, you never know. Like today, I lost 2 trades. Then you want to choose like certain pairs that you want to trade. What I would recommend again to you is focus on GBP USD, so British pound to US dollar. Why? Because there's volume. The next one, gold, but like every single pair is different. So I don't know, but what I trade with is GU, GJ, and then sometimes on a bad days for them, I will go to Euro USD or gold. But it depends on the days, boys. Really, I would focus solely on 2 pairs or like one. Depends. The less trades you take, the less risk you put into the market. So you have to remember that, boys. It took me a long fucking time to realize that, and I'm still realizing that until today. Then, for example, you only trade London session, or you don't trade both sessions, because from my experience, I used to trade London and New York. So what I would do is I would lose 2% on London, then make the 2% back on New York, and then break even on like fucking everything. And what's the point of trading? I'm just wasting time, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to be successful, right? So yeah, trade only one session, then enter trades on high probability setups, and just don't trade on the news. That's example of rules I would set out for myself. If I was you, boy, if I was starting out right now. Step number 4. Start trading the demo. Like, you don't want to go straight into real life money accounts. You don't want to go straight into buying funding accounts. You don't want to, like, I don't know what your position right now is financially, but you don't want to be doing that. You want to learn first. You want to see how the markets move. Like, a lot of the setups you get come from the experience you get from markets. Like, believe me, because I'm still learning, of course, but like, I can see some things coming up, like basically coming again. And once you see that behavior once, you make notes in your fucking little notebook that I told you that you have to buy. Then it's simple. Then you know what to do. Then you have an idea how the market is gonna behave. That's it. And now, as you're starting to trade demo, you want to be finished with like TGR bootcamps or whatever Kimmel released. I don't know because I didn't watch them. But if you watch them, okay. And you want to start watching more in-depth videos of ICT. And why you want to start with ICT traders but not ICT the GOAT himself. And there's one good reason for it, boys. Because ICT is very boring and no one wants to watch him. No one wants to watch a 4-hour video when the person speaks like that. So here we have a swing. Yeah, so we have a swing high, swing low. Yeah, no one fucking wants to watch it. People want something that's quick, exciting, and loud. That's it. But this guy is fucking sleeping in front of the screen and teaching you how to like trade. You don't want to watch it. But once you watched all those videos and you are starting trading, that's when I can say, okay, bro, you have a big chance to make it. You are in the 10% that didn't quit. You have a big chance of making it. If you really want to make it, watch in-depth ICT videos of certain concepts, right? So I will start with 2016 bootcamp. That's for forex trading, and that's what's gonna get you there. Like, it's gonna teach you all of the in-depth things that Kimmel nor TGR cover. Okay, step number 5. You trade a demo for 6 months. You have an idea how the market's moving, what it does when the market opens, etc., etc., what to expect, what volume to expect. Now you can buy a founder account. You can go on an FTMO or Alpha Capital, which I personally wouldn't recommend. I would recommend going safely with FTMO. However, if you don't have the capital, go with Alpha, because they always have discounts and they're cheaper. You buy a founder account, and that's when the real game starts. And when you go to that point, boy, there's a bright future in front of you. Then you pass the fund account. That's my certificate, for example. You can get yours, whatever. You pass the fund account, you get rich. That's what you do, boy. You get wealthy, you get money. You can do whatever you want. You can fucking, I don't know, jerk off in the middle of the street. No one can say shit to you because you fucking earned it. You can do whatever you want. And then step 6, move to a tax-free country to make more money and buy the fuck you want. Basically, you don't want to be giving 40% of what you fucking get from the markets to the government. Yo, I didn't say that, boys. I didn't say that. But you want to live in a nice country, right? That cares about you and your income. And they don't tax you. That's not tax you, they don't take the money from you to give it out to other people. That's what I'm to say. Of course, if you want to live in a country where they do that, you can do it. I do not tell you to not do it because I think it's right. Honestly, I think giving money away for free, the money that's earned with your sweat, with your blood, with your fucking effort, with your time, it's amazing, bro. It's fucking amazing. So if you can do it, keep on doing it. But there's a way that I will do. Just do that, bro. Just do that. Like, what that's gonna stop you? And that's basically the end. That's the end of the 7 steps, 7 fucking key steps that you have to do to be a successful trader. That's it. You give it 1 or 2 years, you're gonna see results. Thank you. Thank you for watching. You want more tutorials about how to trade? Leave a like, join my Discord for free fucking knowledge. Bosh.